Welcome to our channel Casa Equilibrium. Some place invite us to slow down, to listen, to reconnect. Today, surrounded by the silence of the mountains and the softness of falling snow, I invite you to move with me, to breathe, to ground, and to find a balance between strength and stillness. So let's close our eyes and take a few deep breaths in and few deep breath outs. Reconnecting with our body, with our inner peace, and with this present moment. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale out. On our next inhale, let's open our eyes and let's raise our arms to the sky. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Bend to your left, stretching all your right side of your body. Inhale, exhale. One more deep inhale, exhale out. On your next inhale, let's switch sides. Now you bend for your right side, stretching the left side of your body. Inhale and exhale. Try to breathe straight from your nose. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Come up. Let's raise our arms one more time. Exhale, twist to your left side. Imagine like a rope is aligning your spine towards the sky and you look into your left shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Back to center, raise your arms. Let's switch side. Now we twist to our right side. Look to your right shoulder. Inhale and exhale out. Back to center. Now let's switch position. Come sit down on our heels. Inhale, raise your arms to the sky. Exhale, child's pose, forehead to the floor, arms straight in the front of you. Relax your body in this position. Feel the air coming in and out of your lungs. One more deep inhale. And exhale. Let's come to our fourth position on our hands and knees. And let's start with some cat cows. So inhale and exhale, arch your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, arch. Inhale, look up. Exhale, arch. Now come to neutral position. Let's extend our left leg and your right arm. Hold. Try to be still as much as you can. Don't lose your form. On your next inhale, hold your opposite heel with the opposite hand, trying to bring it as close as you can from your butt. Exhale, extend your leg to the sky, open your chest in this beautiful opening position. Exhale, let it go. Touch the hand to the mat. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, bend your elbows, come down to push-ups for 1. Exhale for 2. Exhale for 3. Last one. For 4. Come back up. Bring your knee to the floor. Coming back to child's pose for 1 second. Inhale, exhale. Relax your body before we move to the other side now. So, let's come back up to our fourth position. Now raise your right leg and your left arm. Inhale and exhale. Try to be still as much as you can. Try to don't lose the form. Focus and bring now your heel closer to your butt. Hold your heel with the opposite hand. Exhale, extend the leg. Trying to open your chest as much as you can. Feel this stretching in your front body. Inhale, exhale. Come back down, hand to the floor. Let's do the push-up. So exhale, push up for 1. Exhale for 2. Exhale for 3. Last one. Back up, knee to the floor. Come back to child's pose. Forehead to the mat. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, come to upward facing dog. Lift your knees from the floor. Extend your arms. Inhale. On your next exhale, look to your right shoulder. Feel the stretch on your side body. Inhale back to center and exhale, switch to your left side. Inhale, come back to center and exhale, downward facing dog. As this is our first downward facing dog of the practice, try to adjust to your body, move your legs. If you want, pedal your heels, feel the stretch. Come to plank position and let's hold for 1 second. Inhale, exhale. Now, bring the weight to one of the hands. So choose which side you want to start. Let's come to side plank. So raise your arms, extend your arms. Try to lift your hip as much as you can. From here, slowly bend your top knee. And with the help of your hand, try to open your hip. Open, open. Now bring your foot forward between your hands in lounge position. Touch your other knee to the floor. Inhale, open your chest, extend your arms to the sky. Place your hands on your back for more support. And try to lower your hips towards the ground. And try to open your chest. Open up. Inhale, exhale. Bring your hands beside your feet. Inhale and exhale. Extend your leg. Let's flow with the breath. Inhale and exhale, extend. Inhale, open your chest, bend your knee, and exhale, extend. Now, let's hold a little bit more. Extend your front leg. Try to relax your body in this position. Forehead touching the knee. Inhale and exhale. Come back up. Touch your toes and extend both legs. Transition to the other side of your mat. Bend your front knee and touch your back knee to the ground. Inhale, open your chest. And exhale, extend your front knee. Let's move with the breath. So inhale, open your chest. Exhale, extend your knee. Try to bring your head as close as you can to your leg. Inhale, open up. And exhale, extend. Now let's hold a little bit more. Relax your body in this position. Inhale now. Bend your knee, open your chest, extend your arms to the sky. If you want, you can place your hands on your back and lower your hips towards the ground to get a deep, deep stretch. Open your chest. Place your hands beside your feet. Extend your front leg and bring your front leg back, coming into side plank in the other side. Extend your arms and hold for a few seconds. Slowly bend your top leg and with the help of your hand, try to open your hip. Hold, hold. Now, bring your hand to the floor, returning to plank position. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana to the floor. Inhale, open, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here. Inhale. Exhale, come forward to plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Lower all the way to the floor and relax your body. Inhale into baby cobra. Lift your chest as extend your elbows. Exhale, bend your elbows. Turn your gaze to your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, gaze to your left shoulder. Inhale, center. And exhale to the floor. Come back to child's pose and allow your body to relax for a few seconds. Inhale and exhale. Slowly rise to sit on your heels. Rest your hand on your knees and simply breathe in and breathe out. Finishing this practice with a big reach to the sky, hands together. Slowly bring your hands to your third eye and to your chest. Be grateful for your practice, for your body, and I hope that you enjoy this fast but effective practice with me. I see you next time.